right, thank you everybody for coming out. We're live from the Sandsburg Super Show right here in TMI's booth. Last year we brought out our SS1, our first version of our suspension seat. And this year we're proud to introduce our second version. Our second version of our suspension seat is our dual harness holes. The dual harness holes really help making sure that the harnesses are going to stay square over your shoulders. We still have the same great patent pending comfort grade technology in the base of our seats. Shows this great feature, and if you come over here you can actually see it. So the comfort grade technology is in the base of all of our suspension seats. The suspension seat system really allows for the perfect comfort for your off-road ride. And last but not least, one of the greatest things that we just came out with, and I'm really excited to show everybody, is our new suspension bench seat. Still has the same great patent pending comfort grade technology in the base of the seats, but notice the seat has our dual harness holes and mimics our bucket seat over here. It's great comfort, has great bolstering here to make sure that you're going to sit nice in place and you're not going to be sliding all over the seat. A lot of the competition has just a flat back. Now, with this type of technology, you're going to be able to sit very comfortably for a long ride. Our Maverick X3 with all of the new suspension SS2 Something else that we just launched here at the show, we've got bags also in our new setup. Look at how the color matches perfectly with our new suspension seats. And it's got a special zipper that is water resistant. So it keeps out the dust that much better than your conventional bag. And it has an extra lap of protection. You're definitely going to need a set of harnesses to match the comfort of our new suspension seats. So TMI heard what everybody's asking for and was able to bring out these new, we got 2-inch versions as well as 3-inch versions, depending on your riding style and what you're looking for as far as comfort. With that, thank you everybody for coming out. Make sure you check out tmiproducts.com/powersports and you'll be able to see the whole lineup right there. Thanks for coming.